Hey, I'm Ty with WTI, and this is my faux leather ruled notebook. My favorite thing about this notebook is its classic and timeless design. I think that it provides a space for anyone to jot down their thoughts and notes, and the faux leather notebook is a go-to choice for work, travel, or personal use. I think that the premium thick paper ensures a smooth writing experience. It prevents ink bleed through and allows me to make notes in an organized and clean way. I particularly love and appreciate the polished look of this journal, and I like that it comes in this compact size, which makes it easy to carry this notebook on the go. So whether it's for meetings, classes, or personal reflections, this is a very versatile notebook. And that's my point of view.